Some investors make money every month without day trading, without watching charts all day. They do it by selling options. In the next 3 minutes, I'll show you exactly how this works, and why most beginners misunderstand it. But here's the truth, this is not beginner gambling. Today, I'll explain how it really works, simply. Hey everyone, welcome back to Budget Boosters, where we make money simple. Options sound complicated, and honestly, they can be. But today, I'll explain selling options like I'm teaching a friend. No jargon. No hype. Just the basics beginners need to understand. Let's break it down. Part 1. What does selling options mean? Most people think you make money by buying options. But many investors do the opposite. They sell options and collect a premium. Think of it like insurance. Someone pays you money for a contract. You get paid up front. Stick around, the next part shows why this creates income. Part 2, how monthly income is created. When you sell an option, you collect cash immediately. That cash is yours to keep. If the option expires worthless, you keep 100% of it. Many investors repeat this process monthly. That's how income is generated, slowly and consistently. Part 3, the 2 beginner-friendly strategies. Strategy 1, cash-secured puts. You agree to buy a stock at a lower price. You set aside cash just in case. You get paid for waiting. If you get the stock, you bought it cheaper. If not, you keep the premium. Strategy 2, covered calls. You already own a stock. You sell the right for someone else to buy it. You collect income while holding the stock. This works best on stocks you don't mind selling. Stick around, this risk part is critical. Part 4, why this is not free money. Selling options limits upside. Bad market moves can still hurt. This works best on strong, stable stocks. It requires discipline, not excitement. This is income strategy, not a get-rich-quick plan. Part 5, what beginners must avoid. Never sell options without cash or shares to back them. Avoid complex strategies early. Don't chase high premiums on risky stocks. Slow and boring beats fast and dangerous. Bonus part, who this strategy is best for. Selling options works best for patient investors, people who like consistency, those who already understand stocks. It's not for people seeking fast wins. It's for people building steady income. Selling options can create monthly income, if done carefully. Understanding the strategy matters more than copying trades. Would you ever consider selling options, or does it feel too complex? Tell me in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and watch our next video, How to Make Money in Stocks Beginner System Explained.